zebra.
Hello. Don't eat my phone.
Oh, that is.
Don't eat my phone.
Ah!
Eat it all. We still got a little ways to
stop.
go. Oh god. Oh
You just
god.
burped.
I don't think I don't want to feed you anymore.
Don't be aggressive now.
Yeah, let's get in. This is a good idea. Yeah, let's do this. This is great. Wait, how long will it take until we get there?
Oh, 10 minutes.
We've arrived at this place. Towel is inside of
It's
the...
okay, actually.
Stupid. You're stupid. Hello, boys.
I don't want you to peck me. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Hello there. I'm not feeding you.
You can open a little bit and then feed them. They're gonna put their head. I'll do a video.
Oh god.
Okay, no more. Oh no, don't tease them like that. They're gonna poke at our window.
I know.
Oh, look at the piggies.
The
I'm gonna
pigs,
feed the piggies.
they're just sitting there though.
Should we throw some food?
Look at that zebra, guys. That's a zebra. That was perfect. Hello.
You can put your window down a little bit more, Eli. I'll record you.
Hi.
Oh, poor zebra. No food, zebra. Zebra, no food. Oh, zebra. No food, zebra. Zebra.
That's probably good
Zebra.
enough.
Zebra. Don't eat my iPad. Oh, zebra.
Oh no, it's trying to eat the.
Can't have any food, but we can look at you. Hello, friend. Oh. No. Scary zebra. Zebra, I'm going to put up window. Sorry, zebra.
There's a hole in my pants.
What? Where's Horns?
Horns are-
Okay, stay over there.
We're allowed to feed the goat, right?
Yeah, he's coming over now.
Is he eating? Just
Yeah,
don't let him
he's
grab the
eating.
whole bucket.
Stop it! Stop! Stop!
Okay. Now we let's hear him. Good job. Food? You want food? Oh, okay. Oh, hello, fly.
There's a fly.
Hi, I wish I could feed you, but they're saying not to. Hi.
Oh.
He has little horns too.
Uh-oh. That was a lot of food.
Don't hurt my fingers.
Oh. That is a lot of flies.
Don't put your horns on my vehicle. Oh no, here comes the emu or whatever that thing is.
Oh, no. You were not invited.
You're cute.
Hello. Oh, no, ducks.
Oh, look at
Oh, ducks. Oh, duck. Oh.
scared of you.
Hello, pig. Pig. Eat that. Pig.
Oh, he's not gonna kill you.
Oh, that was intense.
Where's Born?
Oh, he's very mad.
Hello.
No!
Oh no, you're not supposed to
Okay,
have
take it
that. The llama's supposed to eat that. There we go. There we go. You don't deserve any more. No more from you. Stop. Hello.
Okay.
Things are like velociraptors.
His breath does not smell that good.
Evan, look!
No more food. Stop it. No, no.
Black one. Do you like your food?
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
You said you could pet the animals, right?
Sorry. No more food. They're both just walking at the exact same time.
What? Yeah, go away.
What are you doing? No more food. You just like
Oh no, this is.
Oh, he coming over.
That's interesting.
The horns. Oh,
I'm
wow.
not-
Whoa, hello.
Oh.
That's horns. I got nothing for you.
You're
sir.
not.
Give me that.
Ah!
Oh no, you're mean.
Put your phone down.
Okay. Ow. Oh, shoot.
Oh yes. Oh,
Okay, we gotta go.
hi. The bucket.
You're scary. Careful, he can't reach you. We're having
Buffalo.
a traffic jam.
Traffic. Thank you. You don't convey lots of flies. I don't understand how we get through. Do you know how we get through?
Yeah, I think we just run them over.
Oh, okay. There's also currently someone behind us too.
There's a hole in my butt.
Oh, you told your other friends to get off the road. There we go. Hey guys. Now there's like 3 cars behind us. Move.
Don't damage our car.
Hello.
Okay, go ahead.
Don't damage anyone. Look at those
Oh
bugs.
wow, keep your windows up for that thing.
Okay.
Oh, this guy.
Please
Oh,
don't
oh,
damage-
wow, you just pushed our car.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh God. Hello.
You said to keep the windows up.
Oh, hello. Oh, there is my car. There goes my car.
Oh. Oh.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ah, this one hit.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
man. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, don't hit me.
Okay.
I'm gonna hit the car.
What's
Oh,
happening?
geez.
Oh, don't.
Oh no.
Thank you for trailing your horns on the
Oh
car.
no. Put your head up. Put your head up.
Stop!
They're actually pretty good.
Oh, put your window down for him. He's kind of cool.
Hello. Give him some food, Eli.
No.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. I want you to Oh God, that horn. Oh, don't shake your head.
Hello, cow.
Are you a deer?
Oh, this is deer, not cow. What? How did we think you were cow?
Sophie with a deer? Don't eat me.
Look at all the babies.
They're the kind that get big horns.
We're not going to be able to feed the giraffes. Okay, we can look at them.
What are you eating? You have stuff in your mouth.
Ew.
And get out of the road.
I see how it is. Okay.
Oh!
You just sneezed it everywhere. No more. You're sneezing.
Wait, give him a little bit more.
Sneeze.
Oh,
Eating
he's a
all of it, no
baby.
more.
Look at the baby.
The baby?
Oh,
Wait, put your.
wait.
Oh, zebra.
Okay.
Oh, no, two.
Look at me and pose. Look at me, hurry up. They're right there.
And they walk away. Ooh.
They shovel it in. He's like picking it up.
Oh, good lord.
This is the last food being eaten.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, he's slowing down. I think we should stop that.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, un pheasant.
You're friendly.
Can I try and toss a little bit
You're
more in
friendly.
there?
Okay.
No, he's not trying to eat.
Hello,
No, you're not.
muntjac. It is a muntjac. Let's go see the other muntjac. Hello. Peacock, please turn around completely so I can record you. Dang it, the lighting. I hate this lighting. Dang it. Hey there. Camels! Look at the goats. Look at the goats. Hello.
What's that go? Well, don't let him nibble.
Hi. Hi.
Say something in English.
Okay.
Hello.
I don't think that's how he waves hello.
Okay. I will leave. Hello, friend.